Well, we're here in Coaldale, Alberta, Canada, on the entrance to the Great White North on our way to the 49th state. But before we do, our Aunt Patricia, Uncle Walter hosted us today to watch us put a couple of stickers on of the states we just visited. The weather was pretty rough in Nebraska wind-wise, so we decided to wait till we get here to take care of these two states we hit on the way up. Here's Nebraska. And we also went through Kansas.
It's a good thing they're low around, or you would never have reached it. You'd have to get a stool.
So, with the exception of Louisiana, we got this side of the country covered, and with the exception of Nevada, and of course where we're headed to Alaska, that side covered. We're almost there.